Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a classic mint julep cocktail. Made with bourbon whiskey, crushed ice and mint, this is a lovely smooth cocktail to enjoy with friends. Now firstly take some glasses you'll be serving your cocktails up in. Then add some mint leaves that you've mashed between the palms of your hands to help release those flavours. Then add 15 ml of sugar syrup. Then muddle the mint and the syrup together at the bottom of the glass, and you can do this using the end of a wooden spoon. And next measure out 50 ml of bourbon whiskey. Then pour into your cocktail glass. Next add in a good few generous handfuls of crushed ice. Then give your cocktail a good old stir. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make a smooth tasting classic mint julep cocktail.